Hi, Mr. Eckert here, and in this video I'm looking at a few problems from the Khan Academy assignment, Use Pythagorean Theorem to find isosceles triangle side lengths. Okay. So, we want to find the value of x in the isosceles triangle shown below. Okay. These angles are the same. This is going to be going down right down the center. So, this is going to be 5. And this is going to be 5. And really, to do this problem, they should have probably drawn a right angle here. So you know it's splitting it right down the center. Although I think well, I don't know if this is just cutting this angle here. It's not really showing that this angle and this angle are congruent to one another. So, but I'm assuming that this is a right angle here, so it split it into 5 and 5. Yeah. Okay, so, all right, we're going to use one of these triangles and use the Pythagorean theorem. So, and I'm going to use this triangle here. Let me try and redraw that. So, I lay it on its side. Notice my drawing skills are not great. So, the base here will become 12 because I laid this one on its side. This here goes to here, so this is 5, and we need to figure out what this is. Okay, this side here is my hypotenuse. Let's call this A. Let's call this B. And the hypotenuse is C. So remember the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So we have 5 squared plus 12 squared equal to C squared. So, which is X actually. Let me label that X. So 5 squared is 5 times 5, that's 25. 12 squared is 12 times 12, that's 144. That equals X squared. Okay, so 25 plus 144 is 169. That equals X squared. Okay, to get just X, I'm going to take the square root. And I have to take the square root of both sides. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. Square root of 169 is 13. Square root of X squared is just X, so X is equal to 13. Let's check our work. Look at that, energy points. Today's a good day. Let's try another problem. Okay. Again, this one probably has a right angle here. Looking up here, maybe these angles are the same. I can't really tell from the drawing, but if it's just splitting this one angle, or if it's this angle and this angle are the same. Because the reason why I'm questioning that is just, so there is a scenario, let's say we had it like this, and I kind of drew it like that, and this is not a right angle, and I said, well, this is 12, this is 13. Don't really know what this is down here, and find out X. So, anyways, I'm going to assume that there's a right angle down here. All right, so basically what we got, oops, that. If I turn one of these triangles on the side, so if I take this triangle right here, okay, and do it on its side, I've got my right angle here. This is not this side is not x. This is x over 2. And we'll say x over 2 is equal to, let's say, b. And then 12 here is our side. We'll call that one a. And then this 13 is going to be our hypotenuse. It's opposite the right angle. So we'll call that c. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to do 12 squared plus b squared equals 13 squared. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 12 squared is 144. Plus b squared equals 169. 13 times 13 is 169. I'm going to subtract 144 from both sides. And I'm going to get b squared equals 25. Okay. To find b, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So b equals the square root of 25, which is just 5. So x, now you might be tempted to choose 5, but it's not 5. So x over 2 equals 5. To figure out x, we have to multiply both sides by 2. So these cancel out. And we get x equals 5 times 2, which is x equals 10. So I'm going to choose that one. Check it. Look at that, more energy points. Okay, I'm going to do one more in this video, and then, then I'll stop the video. All right, so this next one, again, I'm going to assume that this is a right angle. Okay, we want to find x. So this side here is going to be half of 6. So it's going to be 3. Okay, so we do that triangle, we got something like this. So this is 3. Turn this on its side, so 3. This is x, and then this is 5. Okay. All right. So A, let's say 3 is B, and 5 is C. All right. So we're going to do x squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. So we get x squared plus 9 equals 25. So if I subtract 9 from both sides, I'm going to get x squared. I'm going to have to move this over. X squared equals 16. I take the square root of both sides. I get x equals 4. And choose that one. If you have questions, please leave comments in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.